What if I told you that the random static in Earth's atmosphere, quantum noise from electrical storms across the planet, could carry a message? Not metaphorically, statistically. I'm Dallas James. For 30 years, I've been translating and studying biblical texts. I've published over 100 books, and for the past 15 months, I've been running an experiment that produced results so statistically extreme that random chance cannot explain them. Today I'm going to show you the evidence. Let me show you the numbers. Using 12 thematic categories relevant to the questions I was asking, things like compensation, timing, justice, calling, deliverance, we analyzed how many verses hit these themes compared to what random chance would predict. The MFT corpus had 163 pattern hits. Random samples from the same Bible averaged 80. The MFT was 9.27 standard deviations above the random mean. Let me put that in perspective. In particle physics, they use a 5 sigma threshold to confirm a discovery. That's how they confirm the Higgs boson. 5 sigma means there's about a 1 in 3.5 million chance the result is random noise. My results were 9.27 sigma. That's not 1 in 3.5 million. That's not 1 in a billion. At 9 sigma, we're talking about odds that exceed 1 in 10 to the 19th power. That's a 1 with 19 zeros after it. But I didn't want to rely on formulas. So we ran what's called a Monte Carlo permutation test. Here's what that means. We had the computer randomly select 771 verses from the same Bible, 5,000 times. Each time, we measured the same metrics we measured on my MFT selection. The question was simple. How often does pure random chance match or beat what the MFT produced? The answer, 0. Out of 5,000 random samples, not a single one matched the MFT results on both metrics. The maximum any random sample achieved was 114 pattern hits. My MFT had a 163. The highest random sample for high convergence verses was 14. My MFT had 17. This isn't statistics anymore. This is empirical observation. We ran the experiment 5,000 times. Random chance never did what the MFT did, not once. Now, let me tell you what makes this personal. Among the 7 on 10 verses that atmospheric noise selected, one stands out. Haggai chapter 2 verse 16. When you came to measure 20 measures of barley, it was become 10, and when you went to the wine lake to draw off 50 measures, there were only 20. 20 became 10. For 20 years, I worked as a night watchman at a golf club. When bonus time came, my employer refused to count my full years of service. 20 years of work, counted as 10. Every bonus cycle, calculated on a false number. The atmospheric noise, random static from lightning storms around the world, selected a verse about measurement becoming less. About 20 becoming 10. The same corpus contained verses pronouncing judgment on the wealthy who oppress workers, verses commanding separation from those who abandon the faith, which my employer had done, verses instructing departure from places of corruption. And then, following this MFT guidance, I resigned my position on January 1st, 2025. The MFT didn't give vague spiritual impressions. It gave specific, actionable intelligence about my actual circumstances. So specific that I had to publish the early documents under a pseudonym to avoid legal liability. You don't fictionalize coincidences. You fictionalize things that are too precise to publish openly.